They call me Burna Boy, and right now you're locked onto Ego Fix TV.
Alright. On Brazil.
ARISTOKRAT RECORds.
Shrine. We are shooting a video for BURNA Boy. We are dancers from Imaginato Dance Company. As you can see, we are ready to do our thing. We want to shake some things,
She wants to shake it up for
just watch out for
Burna.
the video.
Yo, Ego Fix Television in the building. Run my race video shoot. Shout out to Burna. You know, we out here chilling, cooling, shrining. You know all those hands, all those foreign hands everywhere. Look, BRB teams, Fresh Prince of Last Giddy, BOTM, 93's Best, LSG Management, the whole squad. You know what's up now. Oh shit.
Video shoot, tune's called Run My Race, you get me? You see, we're in the shrine right now, we're in the African Shrine, Fela Shrine, you know what I mean? It's a sacred place, you know what I mean? Like, I feel honored to be here shooting the video, you know what I mean? And being allowed to do it with no hassle, you know what I mean? Sleep. Anyway, like right now we're at the back room, like the little dressing room thingy. And yeah, basically getting ready for the next scene. And I'm tired as hell, so it's like what? Almost 1 o'clock, and we just got started, so it's about to be a long night. So yeah, man, look forward to it, and don't look forward to it at the same time, cause just
Follow me, run